Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
No. Here, one of the most important points is Surakritam Bhutahotya. Surakritam means things becoming impure simply by touching liquor. Liquor is so impure. Just like you have got a very big pot of milk, but if you put one drop of wine in it, it becomes immediately impure. You can analyze chemically. Immediately impure. That sura, liquor, has become our daily affair. We are so impure. And bhutahatya, and killing of animals. The modern civilization means large-scale arrangement for killing animals and large-scale arrangement for distilling liquor, especially in the Western countries. And India is also now following. So this is the position of the world. What is being condemned by Maharaj Yudhishthira, that those items at the present moment are being encouraged by the government. This is the difference between this government and Maharaj Yudhishthira's government. You can justify it. So the example is very nice. Yatha pankina pankamba. Muddy water. If you bring muddy water, if you want to cleanse it, precipitate, then you cannot add another lump of mud in it. No. You have to add something chemical, just an alum. In muddy water, if you put little alum, chemical, am I right?
Yes.
So, immediately there will be precipitation and all the muddy things will be collected and the water will be clear, original. So, we are discussing about the muddy atmosphere. Things are there, sinful, muddy, but there is process also, how to counteract. The process is also prescribed there. So, at the present moment, the whole world is muddy. But you cannot clear this muddy situation by adding more mud. They are trying to do that. They are not trying. There is bathing method also like that if you have done something wrong, you do another wrong thing. That is called prāyaścitta. Prāyaścitta. But Bhagavad does not accept this kind of prāyaścitta. Prāyaścitta vimarsanam. By this kind of reformation, suppose you have committed theft, this is sinful activities, and you are put into the jail for 6 months. That does not mean that you become an honest man. That doesn't mean. So, it is something like that. To clear the muddy water, put another lump of mud on it. This will not help. Something effective must be brought in. That effective thing is Kalo Nastiva Nastiva Gadirannatha, only this chanting of Harekrishnamovement. The whole world is muddy. It is impure, full of sinful activities. So, if you want to clear the situation of the modern world, then this is the only remedy. Harirnama, Harirnama, Harirnamaiva kevalam kalau nastiva, nastiva, nastiva gatirannatha. There is no other way. And actually, we are seeing practically how by chanting this holy name of the Lord, Hare Krishna mantra, how nasty people are becoming purified, Vaishnava, Brahmana. Actually nasty. Now, here it is said that Surakritam, a drop of wine makes the whole thing impure. And liquor, drinking, is our daily business. So the example is given. That suppose here is one drop of wine and the place has become impure. So if you bring another gallon of wine and just sweep over it, mop it with wine, that is not the process. You have to bring pure water and wash it, then it will purify. You cannot say that wine is also liquid, why not cleanse it here by wine? No. So the Vedic conception is completely different. According to modern science, they put things into alcohol to sterilize. Is it not?
Put alcohol in tanks.
Yes. But it becomes more impure. Anything you put into alcohol, that becomes more impure, according to this. So, there are so many things. Our position, jeev, a living entity, is pure by nature because it is part and parcel of God, Krishna. So, we have accumulated so many material things by which we have become impure. And Jaggai, there is Bhutahatya. Bhutahatya is also recognized here as sinful activities. As wine is sinful or impure, if not sinful, it is impure. Bhutahatya, killing of animal, is also sinful activities. So, you cannot counteract by performing yajna, because in the yajna there is also another bhutahatya. Even there is no bhutahatya, there is called pañca-sūnā yajna. 5 kind of imperceptible sinful activities. Just like we are walking on the street, there are many ants and germs that are being killed. I do not know. I do not wish to kill, but they are being killed. When you are igniting fire, in the fireplace, there are so many small ants, So as soon as you ignite all those small ants, you cannot see, they die. Similarly, when you keep water, there are so many microbes and other living entities. So as you press on it, they die. Similarly, pestle and mortar. In India, the sisters, they don't purchase, those who are rigid family, they do not purchase these powder spices. No. They bring whole spices and they smash it with mortar and pestle. That is very nice. So, doing that, smashing work, you kill so many animals. In breathing, you kill so many animals. In drinking water, you kill so many animals. This is bhuta hatya. You are killing. This is intentional, not intentional. You do not know. Therefore, in the Vedic system, there is prescription, pañca-sūnā yajna. Pancha means 5. And sūnā means bhuta hatya or killing animals, sūnā. Striya-sūnā pāna dūto. Sūnā. Sūnā means violence. So, we prohibit these 4 kinds of sinful life. Killing of animals and illicit sex, striya, sūnā, pañca-sūnā, striya-sūnā pāna. Pāna means intoxicants and dūto means gambling. So these are 4 kinds of sinful activities. So out of that, sūnā is one. That is also divided in many divisions, at least 5. Willingly, we are not going to kill anybody, but unwillingly. Therefore, there is pañca-sūnā yajna. You have to perform yajna every day to counteract this sinful reaction of your imperceptible killings of animals. That's it. This is Vedic life. So Yudhishthira Maharaj says that it is not possible to counteract. But indirectly, Yudhishthira Maharaj says that if you, he says simply the negative side, but the positive side is, in this age, simply by chanting harekrishna mahamantra, you become purified. That is the recommendation by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Chaitadarpana marjaram. There are 2 kinds of, what is called? Atonement. One atonement by the prescribed method. You have done, just like I will give you a common example. Just like you have committed theft. One atonement is that you go to the jail and live there for some time. This is atonement. If you have committed a murder, then you also be hanged. These are the laws. When the king orders somebody to be hanged on account of his committing murder, the king is not sinful. King is helpful. King is helping that rascal to atone his murdering activities. Otherwise, if he is not hanged, then next time he will be put into difficulty. Next time he will have to become an animal. He will be slaughtered. These laws they do not know. Why these animals are being slaughtered? There is some nature's law. They were murderer or slaughterer in their past life as human being. Now they have assumed, they have accepted a body to be slaughtered by the laws of nature. When an animal is slaughtered in sacrifice, there is mantra. The mantra is that the animal slaughtered in sacrifice is recommended for the animal eaters, not for all. Those who are to restrict, in the Vedas there is recommendation that animal can be sacrificed in yajna. So that is also another meaning. The verse says, Loki babaya amishamadda shiva nityastu jantu nahi tatra chodana. In this material world, every living entity has got natural propensity for sex life, meat eating and intoxication. There is already propensities. You haven't got to teach. Nobody teaches in the school how to enjoy sex life. Everyone knows.
Tava kripa hale more katha shuddha habe shuniha sabara shoka dukkha je guchi bhe nachao 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 prabhu nachao se mate ah